Welcome to Tech Notice, guys. This is gonna be not about the knife, it's gonna be about this box. I'm excited. This is gonna be very exciting inside. You already know this because you have seen the title and you've read this and you know what this is about, but with no further ado, let's open this box. What this is Sony A6500. It's quite a small box. A7sII, which you are looking through. 1 second, I'll get the box. Look at that. That is much bigger. It's like double the size, at least. Anyway, it's not about that. What's inside? They always put like the most boring thing on the top. What do we have over here? This is a little charger, wall plug to USB. You've got the wall plug. You've got the little viewfinder piece. Just put this on the side. Then little micro USB cable. We've got one Sony battery. It's good, the 50 quid like. Then we have got the strap, Sony Alpha. And then finally, we have the camera. Yes. Whoa, feels like heavy. Can you hear this? These things. We'll cut them out in a moment. But we have already purchased a little present for this little guy. What's this? This is a battery grip that goes in there. So if you want to watch the unboxing of this, just click on the link over there. You'll find the unboxing for this. But basically what you're going to do is put this battery in there, close the door, and then you put this on the top. Just screw that in all nice and tight. Yes, and now it looks more like a nicer camera to get hold of. Look at that. Let's put some batteries inside and turn this camera on and set it up. I also brought a lens that we can put on and kind of try it out. And red Sony batteries. These are newer batteries. If you're wondering where to get them, you can find the link in the description. It comes with the battery grip. By the way, I always change my lenses like this when facing the body down, so I won't get any dust in the system. So, voila. This is it. Okay. Let's turn it on. Language, English. Set area, date and time. What's the date today? Oh. Okay, voila. And this is the camera. Now you're wondering, why did I buy this if I already have the A7S II? Now I bought this one because I needed a second angle. I'm doing a lot of weddings as well as this YouTube, so I needed this for my second angle, and I wanted something that matches the Sony color profile. I've tried to use other cameras like Panasonic ones, and it's a lot of pain in post trying to match the colors. But if you have the same color profile, there's no problems. Also, the 4K on this one is downsampled from 6K, so this is very sharp 4K, which gives me extra room to play with when you're shooting. I can get kind of two angles out. If I export the video in full HD, then you'll get a lot more detail when cropping the footage on this 4K than A7S II. So it's like a good second angle camera, and basically, yeah, that's it. Plus the super fast autofocus that I'll talk about all in the review once I've made a review about this camera in the future videos. So if you want to stay tuned for that, click subscribe and make sure that you stay tuned for the full review of this camera. If you want to check out this camera and you're wondering other specs and stuff, you can find the link in the description. Go check it out yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this episode. I want to share all my unboxing experiences with you on this channel. This is what this channel is for, as well as tips and tricks and strategies and other tech gear reviews. I want to share the unboxing with you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Click the like button if you did. And hey, if you're new here and you're wondering what the heck is this guy talking about, why does it sound funny, what's all this, then Hey, I'm Lauri, this is Tech Notice. We do a lot of this kind of content here every single week. So consider subscribing, you'll get a lot of this content every single week. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for some reviews and camera gear reviews and other stuff on this channel, and I'll see you very soon. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.